Welcome back everyone. In this video, we will see what is self-proning and how to do it. Self-proning, as I told you before, it is very much effective in breathing disturbance. Okay, so self-proning is basically when you lie down on your stomach. So whenever you feel breathing difficulty, for people whose oxygen level is going down and they are really feeling difficulty in breathing, they can try self-proning for like maybe 20 hours a day. So I know you won't be able to lie down on your stomach for such a long time, but you can definitely change your position. You can move to your right side for some time, then left side for some time, and then again go back to the proning position. So here you can see how a COVID patient is advised in lying down in different positions, how they are changing the positions. And this is how you will get relief from the breathing difficulty. So here you need to use some pillows. So first thing, you will be keeping a pillow under your neck and you will be keeping two pillows under the chest. If not two, then use one, and then keep two pillows under your foot. Okay, so this is how you will be positioning the pillow, and let us see what is happening exactly. So this is the supine position, means when we lie down on our back. Now can you see the heart's position? When we lie down in supine position, the position of the heart is over the lungs, right? So it is pressing the lungs basically. But when we are lying down in prone position, the heart is below and the lungs are over the heart, right? So the lungs are getting more space to expand. This is actually very natural, all the animals, how they sleep. Do they sleep in supine position or in prone position? Mostly we see the animals lying down in prone positions, means they lie down on their stomach, right? So this is a natural way of sleeping, but we human beings normally don't sleep like that. But if we lie down in prone position for some time, what is happening? We can see here, this is in the supine position and this is in the prone position. Now in the supine position, the heart is up. With the gravity, it is pressing the lungs, and so the lungs compartments are not filling with proper air, right? But when you are in prone position, what is happening here? Because of the gravity, the heart is down and the lungs are getting more space then, right? Now when the lungs compartments are getting more space, then it can intake more air inside. Even in yoga also, we do makarasana. That is also a kind of self proning. So you can try doing this. You can lie down in makarasana or you can take support of the pillow and do self proning. This is really helpful for the lungs. It will get some space to expand, and your breathing happens more efficiently, and you can deal with the breathing difficulties easily. So this is all about self proning. I hope you will definitely get some benefit out of it. So stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you everyone. God bless you.